Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it. Here, make sure to disable the auto brightness, because if you want to adjust the brightness, you need to disable the auto one. So tap on the switch to disable it, and now you can tap on the brightness option, and here you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider, like this. And once you're done, you can press the home button. You can also use the crown to adjust it. And once you're done, you can press the home button. Or maybe you can't. I guess you can swipe right on the screen. Yes, you can swipe right on the screen instead of pressing the home button. Because if you press the home button, for some reason it just jumps up. Okay, so you can swipe right to go back, and then you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.